It's the most extensive system in your body, yet most people know very little about it. It silently works 24/7 to keep you alive. It's your lymphatic system. And today we're going to talk about how this hidden defender protects your body from head to toe. Your lymphatic system is a vast network of vessels, tissues, and organs that work together to keep your body healthy and free of toxins. You can think of it as your body's own personal army, always on guard against harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and even cancer cells. So, how does this silent guardian work? Let's start at the beginning. The lymphatic system starts with a special kind of fluid called lymph, which makes up 14% of your body weight. Lymph is a clear, watery fluid that circulates throughout your body, carrying important substances like proteins, fats, and waste products. But lymph on its own isn't enough to defend your body against invaders. That's where the lymphatic vessels come in. These vessels are like highways for lymph, carrying it all throughout your body. And just like a highway, they have special checkpoints called lymph nodes. These nodes are small, bean-shaped organs that act like security checkpoints, filtering lymph fluid and trapping any harmful invaders along the way. But that's not all they do. Lymph nodes also contain special cells called lymphocytes, which are like the soldiers of your lymphatic system. When lymphocytes encounter an invader, they quickly spring into action, releasing chemicals that help to destroy the threat. This process is called an immune response, and it is one of the ways that your body fights off infections and diseases. But what happens when the invaders get past the lymph nodes? That's where the other components of your lymphatic system come in. There are several important organs that play a key role in defending your body. One of these is the spleen, which filters out old or damaged red blood cells and stores blood for when your body needs it. Another important organ is the thymus, which is like a training ground for lymphocytes. Here, these cells learn how to identify and destroy invaders while also being protected from the harsh chemicals used in the process. Finally, there are the tonsils and adenoids, which are located in your throat and sinuses. These organs act like sentries, identifying and neutralizing threats before they can do any harm. All of these organs and structures work together to keep your body healthy, but sometimes they need a little help. That's why it's important to eat a healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to keep its defenses strong. You should also exercise regularly because physical activity helps to boost your immune system and make your lymphatic system more efficient. But what happens when things go wrong in the lymphatic system? When the delicate balance of the lymphatic system is disrupted, it can lead to some serious health problems. For example, if lymph fluid backs up in your body because the vessels are blocked or damaged, it can cause swelling and pain. This condition is called lymphedema, and it can be very painful and disfiguring. Another problem that can occur is called lymphagio, which is when the lymphatic vessels become infected. This can happen when bacteria or other pathogens enter the lymph nodes and multiply, causing a localized infection. Fortunately, there are treatments available to help manage these conditions. For lymphedema, doctors may recommend a combination of exercises, massages, and special garments to help move the lymph fluid and reduce swelling. For lymphagio, antibiotics are usually the first line of treatment. Overall, the lymphatic system is a truly remarkable part of your body. From the smallest lymph node to the largest organ, every part of this system plays a vital role in keeping you healthy and protecting you from harm. So next time you feel a fever coming on or a cold sore, take a moment to appreciate the hard work your lymphatic system is doing to keep you healthy. And remember, by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking good care of yourself, you can help your lymphatic system do its job more efficiently. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all of our latest health and wellness tips. Have a wonderful day.